Hi, I'm Clara Heng.
And this is Lawrence Tan. Welcome to One Landed Property Home Tour.
And welcome to Watten Estate, a vibrant and family-friendly neighborhood with a host of amenities and green spaces.
We are at District 11 Bukit Timah region, Hillcrest sub-region with a low-density population of 9,500 only.
And if you are looking for fresh air, this is just 2 minutes away.
The house is 2 to 3 minutes walk away from Tan Kah Kee MRT and major bus stops right in front of the MRT.
And the bus services will take you all around Singapore. Within a 1 kilometer radius, we do have Nanyang Primary School, Raffles Girls Primary School, and for secondary schools, we also do have Hwa Chong Institution across the road. And if you're into outdoor fitness, or here for a jog, or even to bring your kids to the playground, this is Bougainvillea Park, where there's something for everyone. This piece of land is where luxury meets spaciousness in every square foot. This property boasts a bungalow width of 14.2 meters by a length of 25.9 meters. That works out to be a land size of 3,972 square feet, which is almost double the size of the minimum semi-detached land criteria. It is bright and airy on the 4 sides, as it is designed like a detached house from the outside. And yet, it is maximizing the interior space by building it as a semi-detached, as it's structured all the way to its boundary wall. Detail to design can be seen right from the entrance of the house. As you can see, instead of a plain utilitarian front porch, you actually have a wooden platform, including built-in shoe cabinet.
Step into the beautiful spacious garden where nature meets luxury. Beautiful sculpture hand-picked to decorate the nice garden. Perfect place for entertaining a party or barbecue. Nice water feature and book-matched marble welcoming you home.
Welcome! There's over 7,500 square feet of built-up area designed to accommodate your desire. With 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, there's room for everyone to have their private space. The flooring of the first level are white marble with golden greens that measures 1.3 meters by 1 meter. This designer indoor courtyard features a book-matched marble wall, which can be a backdrop for your art pieces. As this is built as a semi-detached, this is additional livable space which can double up as a gym.
Need to unwind and host your guests? This property features a huge living and dining area. You can choose to open up the glass door and enjoy the light breeze coming from outside into the house, and turn on the water feature and enjoy the light rhythm of the water. Over here, there's an ensuite granny's room, which is currently used as a study room. The devils is in the design.
For culinary enthusiasts, these magnificent large sliding doors separates your dry and wet kitchen from your private dining area. This is the helper's room, the storeroom, and the helper's bathroom. At the back of the house is the wet kitchen, and behind me is the laundry area. Beyond the grandeur of the main levels is a hidden gem, the basement. It's a testament to thoughtful planning, as building downwards is costlier than building upwards. Welcome to the spacious and versatile family area that speaks volumes about the joy of family life.
Alternatively, you can make use of this huge space to expand the bedroom or create anything that you like.
Over the other side are two en-suites. One is a junior master, the other is a large master room that comes complete with a walk-in wardrobe and a luxurious bath. And over this side are two bedrooms that comes with a Jack and Jill bathroom.
And there's a balcony over there where you can chill anytime that you like.
And it's really up to your imagination and creativity to do whatever you want there. I just came from the Stairway of Stardom. The topmost level ascends to the pinnacle of entertainment and luxury, offering you a space to croon your singing skills and to learn Hollywood skills off the screen.
Alternatively, this can be a huge master bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe and a nice balcony with a panoramic view. This comes to the end of our property tour. This is Lawrence Tan.
And I'm Clara Heng. Please remember to call us for a viewing as there's so much more to see here live.
Please like and subscribe.
And we are from
One Landed.